Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So right now, as you can tell, I just woke up. It's like 11:30. I know I wake up so late. I am not a morning person at all. So I literally just woke up right now. Whoa. I just woke up. But anyways, today I'm going to be vlogging my day and what's going on today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Woo! You guys subscribe, give it a big giant thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. Let us know what you guys think about this vlog. And we hope you guys are having a great day, a great week, and everything is going good for you guys. So let's get going with what today has for us. But yeah, right now I'm gonna get up, brush my hair, brush my teeth, and I'm gonna go to McDonald's because I've been craving like a sausage McMuffin. So I'm gonna go right now and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So yeah, let's get going and let's see what today has in store for us. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I'm in my car already. I am gonna head out to McDonald's because I've been craving the sausage McMuffin and a hash brown for the longest time ever y no me lo podía comprar hasta ahorita que me lo voy a comprar. Estoy en mi carro, ya me peiné, ya me lavé el hocico y nomás estoy calentando aquí mi car because I haven't used my car in like 2 days, so I'm warming it up. But yeah, today's a really pretty day. Let me show you guys, because yesterday it was raining really hard, but it felt really nice. But let me show you guys how it looks today. It's so pretty. Like, you see how beautiful it looks? Ciao! It looks so pretty today. But it's like really hot. It's 69 degrees, but it's so pretty today. Okay, so ya estamos aquí en el McDonald's. I'm gonna order right now. Hi.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Can I get the 2 sausage McMuffins for $4?
2 sausage McMuffins, okay?
Yeah, and can I get a hash brown as well? Thank you. Ooh. Because the sausage McMuffins are 2 for $4, and I got a hash brown, and it's at $7.96. I was like, girl, hold on. I don't have enough. I'm just kidding. But, you know, I wanted to get the deal, because we're all on a budget. But I have you guys, like, right here, like, on in my car, and I hope you guys don't fall. So, I got my McDonald's already. Y ahorita ya voy en camino a mi casa. Right now we're at a red light, so I hope you guys don't fall. But this is really cool that I can like stand you guys and we can drive and talk. Okay, it's on green, so let's see what's up. Y si se caen, pues, I'm sorry. Rápido! Oh my god, stupid ass cars. Oh my god, I hope you guys don't. ¡Ah! Se cayeron a la vez. Okay, I don't think that's gonna work because you guys fell. But okay, I'll see you guys when I'm at my house. Okay, so I am eating the sausage McMuffins already, and I'm gonna add some Cholula. Comment down below if you're a Cholula or a Tabasco person. I'm a Cholula for sure. Tabasco is too like sweet and gross. Hashtag mukbang. Here's the other one. Hash brown. Oh my god. So good. Oh my god. Your girl did some damage. I finished 2 sausage McMuffins and 1 hash brown. Here you guys go, the trash. Hope you guys enjoyed my mini mukbang. I'm just kidding. But right now I'm gonna clean my house. Oh my god. Comment down below if you think the Christmas trees looks super skinny. So I'm trying to do a montage like of me cleaning, and I don't have a tripod, so this is what I'm using. Some hair dye, a hairspray, and this little stand right here. You know, gotta improvise. But okay, I hope you guys enjoy this montage. Let's get back to it. Hey guys, so right now I am going to work. I took a shower, I got ready, and I am headed to work right now. Right now I'm going to work, and like I said, I do work at Dave & Buster's. So if you go and you see me, say what's up. But anyways, yeah. Voy a ir a trabajar y luego ya para ver qué pasa el rato. I haven't seen my sister, and she's probably not even out still. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, and I'm at a red light. That's why I'm in my car and you guys are standing there. So I'll see y'all soon. Let me jam out in my car. Hey guys, I am off work. Today is Friday as well. Oh, look at my name tag. It says Ruth, my favorite fun vlogging, of course. Anyways, I am headed to my cousin's house right now. We're gonna go have a couple beers. Oh my god, I'm struggling to take this off. Well, we're having a couple beers and then we're just gonna hang out, kick it, have a good time, and we'll see what happens. But ahorita para ver qué pasa y nos vemos. I know, love it. I know. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So it's the next day right now. I'm walking to work, but I'm just gonna end the vlog here just because I'm not gonna do anything and this vlog is already too big, you know. And I do hope you guys enjoy my montage. So in this vlog, my sister didn't really come out either, but I just wanted to end it and make it short, you know, just to post something. But I'll see you guys in my next vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.